Hello dear civil engineers, a very warm welcome to all of you on Resultant, your own platform. And today we'll be doing the practice session for RRB CBT 2. Okay, so we'll be taking the technical questions of civil. I hope you all are fine, doing fantastic, preparing for your exam. And this exam, the complete Resultant team is very happy to help you for your exam preparation. In between the questions I will be taking, you can ask your doubts as well. I'll be very happy to take care of your doubts. Hi Kedari, Manikanta, how are you? I hope you are fine. A very dear student of Resultant. You can share the session and subscribe the channel for more such sessions. So those who are new in the channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Abhinav Sir. I have done my MTech from IIT Delhi. I got All India rank 164 in 2012. If you want to connect me, you can WhatsApp me at this number 93549 16360. Okay, you can WhatsApp me your query here. Also, you can join me in my Telegram group Civil by Abhinav Sir. Already more than 6,000 students have joined here. Or you can mail me at abhinav@resultant.in. Okay, this is my Telegram group. More than 6,000 students have already joined in this Telegram group Civil by Abhinav Sir. Okay, the complete civil team is helping you for your preparation. And if you want to join Resultant, you can join our AIM batch. Okay, this is the batch where we are focusing only on the technical part of the civil. I repeat, only on the technical part of the civil. Classes, everything will be going on here. Now guys, moving forward for the first question, please everyone take your rough copy, everything along with you. It should not be like that you're lying on the bed and watching my session like this. Okay, please be attentive so that you can take the maximum efficiency from this session. This is the first question on your screen, that what is the plumbing fork in the plane table survey used for? Okay, yes, namaste Arvind. You can write in the comment box, you can write like 1A, 1B, or when you will be in the 13th question, you can write 13A, 13B. So I could be knowing that for which question you are giving what answer. Okay. So yes, plumbing fork is used for, it is used for centering. Okay, plumbing fork is a U-shaped metal frame. Plumbing fork is a U-shaped metal frame, and here it is used for centering. Can you tell me which instrument is used for sighting the object? Which instrument is used for sighting? For sighting it is elidate. For sighting it is elidate. So this was question number 1. Let me now move to the question number 2. Question number 2. Yes, Kedari. Good. Excellent. Now you have to list 1 and list 2. Elidate is, I just told you, elidate is used in plane table surveying, correct? Arrows are used in chain surveying. Bubble tube is used in leveling, and stadia hair. See, bubble tube and stadia hair both are in leveling. Okay, bubble tube and stadia hair both are in leveling and theodolite. So anyone can be correct. So Q will be option A. Q will be 1. Q will be 1. P will be 3. So this 2 and 4 is correct. So even if it is 4 and 2 then also it will be correct. Second D. Yes, Kedari. Yes, Vishnu. Moving to the next question. Question number 3. Surveying. In a closed loop traverse of 1 kilometer, the total length of the closing error in departure latitude is 0.3 and 0.4. Whatever the error is having its latitude and departure is 0.3 and 0.4. What is the relative precision? So if I put here north axis, if I put here east axis, if I put here as south axis, and if I put here as west axis, then the error we are having the latitude and departure as 0.3 and 0.4. The error we are having is having the latitude and departure as 0.3 and 0.4. So this departure is the departure latitude. So departure is 0.3 and this projection is 0.4. So what is the magnitude of error? What is the magnitude of error? Pythagoras theorem. Even you don't know the Pythagoras theorem, everybody knows that 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. Even you don't know Pythagoras theorem. Magnitude of error is equal to 0.5. So what is the relative precision? What is relative precision? The relative precision is magnitude of error upon total length of the traverse, that is 1 kilometer, but this is in meter na, this is in meter na, so 1 kilometer also we write in meters, it will be 1000, so it will be 1 by 2000, that is option number C. Question number 3C. Yes, great. No Vishnu, it will not be A, it will be C, it will be C. Come on. Question number 4. In traverse table where all information related to the traverse are relevant, independent coordinate are tabulated in which of the following? Guys, Gale's traverse table na, it gives the details of the traverse like included angle, like forebearing, back bearing, corrected forebearing, corrected back bearing, and ultimate aim of Gale's traverse table is to find out the independent coordinate. What is the difference between independent coordinate and consecutive coordinate? Tell me. Independent versus consecutive. What is the difference? What is the difference? Anyone on the comment section? Guys, independent coordinates are the coordinates with respect to a common origin. Whatever you studied in mathematics na, in class 11th, 12th, 9th, 10th, that everything is independent coordinate. Every coordinate is with respect to a common origin. And consecutive coordinate is the coordinates with respect to the previous point. With respect to the previous point. Let me give you an example. Suppose this is north, this is east. So suppose this is 0, 0. Suppose this is point 1, 1, and this is point 3, 4. So this is the independent coordinates with respect to common origin, that is 1, 1. Now if I talk about the consecutive coordinates of this na, and from A we are moving to B. Okay, so its consecutive coordinates are na, when we are taking this 1, 1 as origin. So from one origin it is how much ahead? This is the north point and this is the east point. So this is from, if I put 1, 1 as origin na, so this is 2 above. From how much 3 point will be above 1 point? If this point is having 1 north, this point is having 3 north, so this is 2 above. And how much east? From 1 east this is 4th east, so this is 3 east. So this is the consecutive coordinate. Have you got it? Have you got it, everyone? Please give me yes or no. Please give me yes or no, please. Okay, now question number 5. The distance of point from the origin along the east-west line. What is the distance of a point from the origin along the east-west line? Come on. Guys, whatever questions we will be doing now, if we are doing suppose 20 questions, then it will be equivalent to 30 questions, because I am taking every question, not only solving that particular question, but anything which is relevant or related to that. So east-west is departure and north-west is, north-south is latitude. North-south is latitude. Okay, moving to next question number 6. What is the floor area ratio? Guys, what is the floor area ratio? What is floor area ratio? Anyone? What is this floor area ratio? This is the plinth area divided by the floor area. This is the plinth area divided by floor area. Okay, and this value, Arvind, floor area divided by plot area will be less than 1. See the options, all are the greater than 1. So this is plinth area upon floor area, and that value is 142, 200. 142, 200. Sixth will be A. Sixth will be A. Any doubt till here? Any doubt? Please do. Question number 7. What is the minimum height of a single story in residential? I am not asking about commercial. What is the minimum height of a single story in residential building? I am not asking for hospitals. I am not asking for commercials. I am asking for residential building. For residential building, the minimum height should be 3.3 to 3.6. Arvind is saying C. Arvind is 2.3 meter. So 2.3 meter अगर building की height होगी, if 2.3 meter is the height of the building or height of the story, then a 6 foot person, how he will be moving? How the fan will not be touching him? Because 6 foot is around, roughly it is around 1.8 meters. So a 6 foot people when coming to residential building, is his head touching to floor fan? No na? No na? So guys, here the answer will be 3.2 3.6. Yes, Arvind, but it is asking for residential building. It is asking for residential building. Got it? Let us move to the next question. Question number 8. Everyone on the comment section. Everyone on the comment section. Come on. Tell me. Tell me. Everyone. Come on. 8. In case of panel doors, to account for area, the flat area is multiplied by. Come on. It is multiplied by 1 point times for each side. It is multiplied by 1 point times 5 times for each side. Okay. Now moving to 9th question. As compared to top rail, this if you have observed closely now, you can get this. As compared to top rail, the bottom and the lock rails in a door frame are normally made up. Guys, have you seen that is around I section? The rail tracks are I section like this, and the bottom is little bigger, so that the stress concentration doesn't go there. Okay, we have to distribute the stress now. So it is, as compared to top, the bottom is wider. Not narrower. Kedari, have you got it, everyone? Tell me please. Okay, 10th. What is the ratio of cement is to lime is to sand? Cement is to lime is to sand. For a single coat plaster, if you want to do in your home or any wall, what is the ratio of cement is to lime is to sand? Come on, Arvind, Kedari, Vishnu, everyone, Julia, Vishnu, everyone, tell me on the comment section, guys. Tell me on the comment section, please. Please, everyone, every commando, every champion, tell me. It is 1:1:6. Good, Vishnu, Arvind, Kedari, excellent. No shrinkage occurs if the concrete is placed in a relative humidity of. Good, Ayushman. Ayush, very good. No shrinkage occurs in the concrete if the concrete is placed in a relative humidity of. No shrinkage occurs if the relative humidity is 100%. That is 1. In that, no, not 0.5. It is 1. If it is 1, then there is 100% humidity. Then there is no scope of shrinkage. 12. How does the strength of concrete differs with age? As the age goes on, 1 day, 28 days, 30 days, 2 months, 3 months, 5 years, how the strength of the concrete is changing? Is it increasing? It is no effect. It is decreasing. What? Guys, it is increasing. Yes, if you say after 200 years, strength will decrease. But we are only, whenever such questions are framed, they are only up to design life. Yes, I know after 100 years, it will deteriorate. So it will, after some time it will decrease, but that is why we as civil engineer are only working or liable or responsible only up to design life. Up to design life, its strength increases. Yes, it increases at a very fast rate initially, and as time goes on, that increase is there, but very slow increase. That test, this is your homework. Everyone, this 13th question, write on the comment section. 13th question, I write on the comment section your answers, whatever your answers are. Okay. 14th. The consistency index of the sample whose liquid limit, plastic limit and water content are this much. So liquid limit also represented as this. Guys, before solving this question, can you tell me, good Vishnu, can you tell me that at liquid limit or after liquid limit, what is the shear strength? Shear strength of soil, almost all soil have same liquid limit. What is that value? This is very important. Plastic limit, also represented as PL, is 20%, and the water content, natural water content, is 40%. So what is the consistency index? What is the consistency index? Tell me. It is WL minus WP, sorry, WL minus WN upon WL minus WP. Guys, this answer is 2.7 kilonewton per meter square. The shear strength of almost all soils at liquid limit or after liquid limit is 2.7 kilonewton per meter square. And this value is 52 minus 40 upon 52 minus 20. What is this coming? This is 37.5%. Please do check. And what is the value of IC plus IL? Consistency index plus liquid index. One more question for you. What is the value of IC plus IL? 151. Okay, this is okay. This 15th question you are saying the answer as 1. Okay, great. This is 100%. Sand dunes are predominantly formed by, good Vishnu. Sand dunes are predominantly formed by which soil? Good, alluvial soil. Guys, alluvial soils are formed from running water like river. Alluvial soil is formed from running water. Okay, marine soils are deposited by sea. Alluvial is done by wind. And glaciers are done by glacial soil. Tell me, all these soils are residual soil or transported soil? All these soils are residual soil or transported soil? There are two types of soil, na? One is residual and one is transported. Residual is which is at the rock only, which is at the from rock disintegration that soil forms, and it is at near the rock only. Okay, and the transported soils are the soils which are formed from the transportation of either running water, sea, or this. These all are transported soil. They are formed from a rock, but they are not the soil which are formed from the rock are inorganic soils, and if they are with the parent rock only, if they are residing at the parent rock only, then they are residual soil. Otherwise, if they are flown away, then they are transported soil. Give me yes or no. Everyone, which is this question? Question number 15. Good Vishnu. 16. Retaining wall means, what is the meaning of retaining wall? No, best soil for construction you cannot say. You cannot say sand or clay. Okay, best soil for construction is a combination of sand and clay, so that it is well graded soil, so that big particles are also there, so that average particles are also there, so that very small particles are also there, so that they can fill the voids. Never alone clay will be very good, because it will be huge settlement in clay. Never sand will be good, because the settlement rate will be very faster. Total settlement is more in clay. I repeat, total settlement is more in clay. Settlement rate is more in sand, but total settlement is more in clay. Actually, pure clay is also not very good, pure sand is not very good, because actually we want well graded soil. Different sizes are there. Big sizes are also there, small sizes are also there. So that there can be interlocking and the voids are full. So the best soil will be combination of both. Got it? 17th. What is K naught? What is K naught? Either the K naught is 1 minus sine phi. Okay, when the wall is at rest. Ka is 1 minus sine phi upon 1 plus sine phi. When wall moves away from the fill. When wall moves towards the fill Kp, it is 1 plus sine phi upon 1 minus sine phi. This is less than 1. This is greater than 1. This is also less than 1. So the smallest is Ka, then it is K naught, then it is Kp. And K naught is 1 minus sine phi, but there is no option 1 minus sine phi. Okay. So here the answer is mu upon 16th answer. Oh, okay. I'm telling you. First of all, do this. 17th. 17th will be mu upon 1 minus mu. K naught is equal to mu upon 1 minus mu. And for 16, retaining wall means, RE means retaining wall, yeah. Okay, retaining wall, retaining earth wall. It is retaining earth, na? It is not retaining anything, retaining earth. Earth means soil. Earth means soil. Okay. And one more thing here, it will be used for your examination, na? It will be used in your examination that Ka is 1 minus sine phi. One more formula is there. Do you all know? It can be written as tan square 45 minus 5 by 2 as well. And that can be written as, because tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. So this can be written as, if you do 90 minus this. So this will be written as 45 cot square 45 plus 5 by 2. All are same. This is Ka. Might be you are knowing this, but most of you don't know this one. Cot formula might be you are not knowing. Okay. Now what is Kp? Kp is 1 plus sine phi. This is tan square 45 plus 5 by 2, and tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. So this can be written as cot square 45 minus 5 by 2. Kedari, Jaisantosh, Vishnu, Arvind, Julia, tell me, do you know all these formulas, or this is the first time you are knowing them? The cot formula might be many of you are not knowing. Do you know all these formulas earlier, or this is the first time? Okay, good, Jaisantosh. Good. Good, Vishnu. What is Kp? The coefficient of passive is 1 plus sine phi upon 1 minus sine phi. 19th. A vertical photograph was taken at an altitude of 1500 meter above sea level. Suppose this is the mean sea level. Suppose somewhere here is the ground and the photo is taken from somewhere here. So altitude means the height from the sea level. This is 1500. Focal length is 20. And this terrain has an elevation of 500 meter. So what is the scale? What is the scale, guys? Come on. Scale is given by F upon capital H minus small h. F is the focal length, that is how much? The focal length of the camera is 20 meter. Not looking great here. It should be 20 mm. Focal length cannot be in meters. Focal length cannot be meters. It should be 20 mm. So 20 into 10 ki power minus 3 meter. Capital H is 1500 minus 500. So 20 by 1000. 20 by 10 ki power 3 and into 10 ki power minus 3. So this will be 20 into 10 to the power minus 6. This is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no. Okay. Moving further. Northing, easting and elevation are obtained in take this as a homework. #21. A column is a structural member designed primarily to take which of the loads? Column, every time you are saying it is taking compressive load. Guys, the same question if I ask for slab. Same question, slab resists the load by going in bending, flexure. Bending / flexure. Same question if I ask for beam. Beam, the primary load is beam resists the load by going in bending, flexure. Okay. 22. The point where the bending moment is 0 and changes sign is called as? The point where the bending moment is 0 and changing sign is called as point of contraflexure. Guys, why it is very, what is the significance of this? What is the significance of this? Let me tell you the whole story today. Guys, for brittle material like concrete, if you draw the stress strain curve suppose positive side tension, negative side compression, then in tension they cannot take much load, in compression they can take much load. So brittle are weak in tension. Brittle material like concrete are weak in tension. Therefore tension side we provide reinforcement. Suppose a beam is like this and the bending moment diagram suppose is like this. So positive means here it is sagging, here the beam is like this, so tension is at the bottom. Negative means hogging, so here the beam deflected shape is like this, so tension is at the top. And in tension concrete is weak, so we provide reinforcement at this side, positive side here, this is the reinforcement, and at this side we are providing the reinforcement here. So point of contraflexure is not important, is not developed because of your they have to make something stupid for your questions. The point of contraflexure significance is because the site engineer should know at which point they have to change the direction of reinforcement. Site engineer should know that at which point they have to change the direction of reinforcement. 23. The area under the stress strain up to fracture is called as? The area under the stress strain curve up to the fracture is called energy required to cause the failure. This is the energy required to cause the failure. What is the effective length? Guys, what is the effective length? When both are fixed, if this is length, so here it will be 0.5 L. When both are pinned, it will be L, and when one side fixed and one side free, it will be, when one side fixed and one side free, it will be 2L, and when one side fixed and one side hinged, what is the value that time? One side fixed and one side hinged, what is the value that time? Tell me. Tell me please. everyone. Avre commando. It is 0.7 L by root 2. Okay. 25th. The phenomena of increase in stress with increase in strain beyond the yield point. Beyond in yielding. Guys, beyond yielding, this is the yielding zone. Now after this yielding, increase in stress, this one. They are asking this one. They are asking this one. Let me make it with a different color. This one. Here increase in stress also there. Increase in strain. This is called strain hardening. Why this is strain hardening? Why this is strain hardening? Why this is strain hardening? Because guys, here the strain is easy. With constant stress, strain easy. With constant stress, strain is happening. But after this point, crystalline structure of mild steel changes. Crystalline structure changes. And for further increase in strain, stress has to be applied. So that is strain hardening. A channel section consists of, this is a channel section. So this is a flange, this is a flange, and this is a web. So 2 flanges and 1 web. 2 flanges and 1 web. Water content of soil can be, water content or moisture content is given by weight of water by weight of solids. Might be some soils like bentonite clay, have huge voids. Black cotton soil have huge voids. So solids and voids. Voids are huge. So might be weight of water if they are filled with water. Rain comes, they are filled with water. So although the density of water is less than solid, but there is so much volume that the weight can be more, na? So that can be greater than 100%, na? 28. Void ratio of soil mass can E is equal to volume of voids by volume of solid. Void ratio of soil mass can चलो tell me everyone. Tell me please. Everyone. Using oh yes Kedari, that is the TV na for seeing the comment section. That is the TV na for seeing the comment section. Here I am seeing your comments. Vishnu will request him as well. Can never be greater than unity? It can be greater than unity, yeah. If voids are more, it can be greater than unity. Taken any value? Yes, there any value greater than 0. It can be more than 1. It cannot be 0 because all soil has either air voids or water voids. All the solid particles will not be there. Okay, there I am seeing your comments. I have one mobile here, and one TV there to see your comments. Shear failure of sand takes place when the angle of obliquity is maximum. You have seen na, for sand, this kind of failure envelope develops, and this is beta max. This is beta max. Okay. The ratio of volume of voids to the volume of soil mass. Volume of voids to volume of solid is called as void ratio. And volume of voids by total volume is called as porosity. What is air content? What is then air content? This porosity I told you, this I told you. What is air content and what is percentage air voids? Tell me. I repeat, void ratio is void ratio is volume of voids by volume of solid. Porosity is volume of voids by total volume. Void ratio is greater than porosity. What is air content? And what is percentage air void? Saturation is volume of water by volume of void. Air content is good Arvind, volume of air by volume of void, and percentage air void is volume of air by total volume. As percentage air void has a bigger denominator, so air content is greater than percentage air void, because this has a bigger denominator. Here porosity has a bigger denominator. Can you tell me what is the value of S plus AC, saturation plus air content? What is saturation plus air content? Saturation is volume of water by volume of void. Air content is volume of air by volume of void. What is that value? Volume of water plus volume of air is volume of void. Volume of water plus volume of air is volume of void, and this value is 1. So this is 1, or if you want to write in percentage, it will be 100%. If you want to write in percentage, it will be 100%. Got it? Got it, everyone? Please tell me. A pygnometer is used to determine. So many questions we have done today. Guys, was this session beneficial for you? Was this session beneficial for you? Vishnu, 5 is, to be very frank, not possible, but yes, I'll try how much I can take. You like, na? Vishnu, you like this session? Kedari, you like this session? Arvind and everyone? So, pygnometer is used to find out the water content and specific gravity. But specific gravity of which thing? Specific gravity of which material? Specific gravity of mercury? Specific gravity of beer? Specific gravity of wine? Specific gravity of soil solids. Not soil solids. Okay. Coarse grain soil are best compacted by. Coarse grain soil are best compacted by. Guys, always remember that for clay we have different materials for compaction. For clay we have different materials for compaction. But for sand that is coarse grain soil. Coarse grain soil means sand. We do the best compaction is done by vibration. For pneumatic roller is for clay, all sheep foot roller is for clay. But for sand, the best thing is compaction. The best thing is compaction. Okay? Okay? This we have done already here. Mu upon 1. The coefficient of the pressure is mu upon 1 minus mu. Okay, this later. Okay, then other questions we'll do in the next class. Most questions of SOM are there. That we'll do in the next session. Okay? Okay, I hope you enjoyed this session, guys. No, PDF I'll provide. Other questions, Kedari, I'll give homework, and now next new fresh questions I'll be taking. In next session, I'll be taking new fresh questions. This PDF I'm providing in the Telegram group Civil by Abhinav Sir just in 30-40 seconds. Okay, in this Telegram I'm providing Civil by Abhinav Sir. Thank you guys. Wish you all the best. Thank you.